Hey everybody, as promised in this video, I'll take you through the steps of getting self-published on the Amazon platform. I recently published my second book, which is Unconditional Breaking Free for Love, 101 Eternal Love Poems through Amazon, and my entire experience of publishing with Amazon has been wonderful. I'll be taking you through the steps of how to get this done, to get your book out in your hands, in the market, in the hands of people of the world. It's all very exciting, and I'm eagerly looking forward to help you all with all of that. So let's get started. Now, on Amazon platform, there is Kindle Direct Publishing account. Amazon KDP is what we call it. You need to create your account there, and once you create your account and you log in, you'll see the very first page which talks about entering your information. So this is basically where they collect all your legal information, and just follow the process. It's pretty simple. Register yourself on the KDP platform, and then on you'll come to a page which I'll just turn around my screen and which I'll show you. And on this screen share, I'll be sharing with you how to get this book on Amazon KDP and how can you just start selling it within minutes. So I hope this is helpful for you. Let me share my screen and take you through all the steps that you see inside of the KDP platform. So I'm sharing my screen now, and as you can see, this is how Kindle Direct Publishing platform looks like. You can see there are these two buttons of Kindle ebook and paperback on the left hand side of the screen. You click on Kindle or paperback to create your two versions. In this video, I'll be creating a Kindle ebook. So I click on Kindle ebook, and then we are redirected to the process that goes into making a Kindle ebook. As you can see, there are all these details that we need to fill in, including the language, your book title, if there's a subtitle, the name of series, an edition number, your name or the author's name, any other contributors you had for the book, illustrators, editor, narrator, photographer, any other contributors that you had, you can add here. You have to write a description to the book, which is about 4,000 characters long, and then all the publishing rights as well. Because we are self-publishing, it'll be that I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights for this particular book. Otherwise, it will be, if the book is in public domain, then it will be that this is a public domain work. Then there are these 7 keywords that you need to enter in this particular form or in this particular process. These keywords are very important, and in my next video I'll be talking more about description and keywords as well, to help you with what kind of metadata goes into Amazon and how that really helps in listing your book in front of people or a relevant audience. Now, moving on, we also have categories. So you can select 2 categories here while submitting your book, and later on you can ask for additional categories, which is about 7 or 8. Again, in my next video, I'll be talking more about this as well. These categories help you to identify which market or which audience is what you're targeting for your particular book. And then you move on and select the age grade if you want to, and if you want to make this book available for a pre-order. Moving on, just don't forget to click on save as draft before uh, going back or anything, because otherwise you'll start losing anything that you put in the system and you'll have to again enter all these details. I just had to put in some dummy data there in the first part of this process. It didn't allow me to go ahead, so I did put some dummy data in there. And now let's go on and see what is the content that we have to put for this Kindle ebook. So the first thing is your manuscript, and it asks for a digital rights management, which is a way to protect copyrights for digital media. You might want to search
and select for yourself if you want to keep it as a yes or no for your particular book and whatever you are printing and making it available for people. Once you've done that, just down below you see this yellow button of upload ebook manuscript. And once you submit your manuscript in here, it will start processing. It'll take some time to identify if the format is correct, if the entire manuscript, in fact, that you are putting in the system is correct. If there are any warnings or if there's some problem with your document, it will start popping up from this stage onwards. Moving on, you see the Kindle ebook cover as well. This is where you will be able to design your own ebook cover. I'll just quickly click on launch so that you can see how does it look like. This is how the interiors of that cover creator looks like. You can select what kind of a book cover you want, and you can design your own book cover. There are a couple of tools available here to make sure that you get a cover that you would like to design. But of course, these are limited options here. If you're looking for a very good cover design for your book, you might want to reach out for an external help or an external book designer, book cover designer, who can help you design your book cover. Having said that, you might also want to keep in mind that the size of the book cover should match with your number of pages in the book as well as the size that you've selected for the book. So, all these things also matter. Do take care of all those things, and yes, you're good to go. We've got good tools here within the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing platform to help us with all the things that go into making our book an end product. Just wanted to give you a brief on it. Now, once having done that, you see this button of launch previewer on Amazon KDP. This is where you can launch your book and see how it really looks like, including the cover. The Amazon platform here, it simulates how your book will look like on a Kindle or on any other device for that matter, digital device. So you can check here how are your pages turning out, how is the formatting that you did for the book, is it coming out well or not, and how does it look uh, as a book itself, as an ebook itself. So this really helps, this previewer really helps to get that feel of how it will look like. If there's any change at this point, you want to change something in your manuscript, formatting, book cover, you can still go ahead and do that. Just don't forget to click on save as draft before uh, going back or anything, because otherwise you'll start losing anything that you put in the system and you'll have to again enter all these details. For ebooks, you don't really need an ISBN. If it was a paperback, they'll ask you options. If you already have an ISBN, you can put it here at this point. If you don't have an ISBN, you can ask Amazon to do that for you, and there's an option. It's just right there. When you do for paperback, you'll be able to see it. Now, having done this, you go ahead to the next step, which is the pricing of your book. And I couldn't take enough videos for it because I didn't put in any dummy manuscript or a cover design for my book, so I couldn't go ahead and capture the screen for it. But it is fairly simple. There are all these marketplaces available on Amazon, and you put in values and you see what kind of royalty you'll make out of whatever value you are putting in there. It is also based on the file size that you selected for Amazon ebook. So based on all those factors, you will be able to see what are the prices, and then there's this last button where you push publish, and it it shows that it'll take 24 to 72 hours to get your book out. It's usually done faster as well. So
I hope this video was helpful for you. If there's anything else, any other questions that you have about self-publishing on Amazon, do drop them in the comments below and I'll go through all of them and I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. Or If there's anything I need to create a video for, I would love to do that and help you achieve your goals. I'll see you all later then. Until then, keep creating and working on your dreams. Bye bye.